Hello, I'm your factoryworkx success coach on behalf of metrologx. In this short video, I'd like to give you an overview about the factoryworkx data capture capability and options and how everything is linked to a value stream. The most important object in factoryworkx is a channel. A channel represents a value stream, and the channel contains literally all streams of data created. This value stream, no matter if it is quality data, process data, or just any other line data and information. A channel includes at least one data collection point. A data collection point is the location where product or process-specific data is generated. Data collection points can be everywhere, not just in a line or a cell. This could be in another building, plant, country, just like the value stream is set up. Let's see how factoryworkx can capture data at data collection points along the value stream in a channel. You can enter data in a web page using forms like spreadsheets. Desktop, laptops, tablets, or smartphones using a web browser are appropriate to enter data. Another option is the usage of the industry-proven factoryworkx app running on Android tablets. It is designed to capture quality data by defect code or equipment status information by downtime reason. Don't worry about large-scale device deployment. Devices can be managed with the factoryworkx mobile device management solution. If there is serialized product or process data, it is valuable to use barcode or RFID scanners to capture data. The workflows defining the scan sequence can be defined by users with the appropriate credentials. The simplest form to capture data or to trigger events is by using the factoryworkx IoT button. It takes just a click. It can be used to make a Kanban call or just to notify maintenance about equipment downtime. Sensors can be integrated to automatically acquire data like temperature, vibration, etc., or indoor positions of equipment like forklifts, racks, or bins. Interfaces are available to exchange data with other systems, for example, EDI messages in the supply chain, or work orders from an MRP system like SAP. factoryworkx supports all state-of-the-art interface protocols. How can the data entered be accessed? Data entered can be visualized on the shop floor. Monitors or Anden boards visualize data and KPIs in any means. A hassle-free solution to provide the relevant information is factoryworkx CAS plug-and-play device for a smart visual shop floor management. Mobile devices like smartphones, tablets, laptops, or stationary PCs with internet connection can be used to pull the information of interest or to browse interactive charts and management dashboards. The next slide will summarize the factoryworkx data capture and access capabilities. Data can be acquired by web browsers, industry-proven app, scanners, buttons, sensors, or interfaces. factoryworkx uses state-of-the-art protocols and encryption to protect the data considering the art of the internet. Despite of the fast deployment with little trading requirements and a self-describing business case, there are the following critical success factors to consider. Bye-bye spreadsheets. Any other paper and pen lists or Excel spreadsheets must be eliminated to avoid waste, inconsistent information, but more importantly to achieve a single source of truth for product and process data. Real-time data entry. Data must be entered immediately when created, not later, achieving real-time transparency for instant reaction in case of non-conformities. Visual feedback. Data needs to be visualized where created to get the user's feedback, as there is a lack of trust if there is no transparency of the result and potential consequence of the data entry. factoryworkx is an industry-proven solution for various use cases in manufacturing and supply chain. If you have any questions what factoryworkx can do for your business, please let us know. Let's go down to the shop floor and start the digital transformation. Thank you for watching this video.